Hi, my name is Dilai Buji. I am a crypto coach, I am a crypto compliance specialist, and I am Nigerian. Cryptocurrency has been around for at least 10 years, but it wasn't until the pandemic in 2020 that cryptocurrency gained more global interest and adoption. Now, if you are relatively new to the crypto space or you are in the crypto space, you most probably do one of these two things. You day trade, which means you simply take advantage of the daily highs and lows of the market to make money. Or you are a holder, or in true crypto language, you are a hodler. A hodling simply means that you buy into a project and you hold on mid-term to long-term for it to appreciate, perhaps during the bullish market. Now, here's the thing about these two things. Neither of them are passively earned. They're actively earned because, one, these two strategies require you to often check the market just so you know the best time to sell. And secondly, it requires you to actually sell off your crypto investment or your crypto holding or your portfolio. So you may have made money, but your portfolio has reduced. Now, passive income simply means that you are making minimal effort, like there's reduced activity on your end and little to no investment. In fact, there's such a thing as progressive passive income, which means as little effort, as little activity, and as little investment is made, is put into that activity or into that project. Now, in the crypto space, there are ways that you definitely can earn passively. One of it is airdrops. Now, airdrops are like a marketing stunt where a team behind a project, can give you little tasks to do, and in turn they reward you with their coin. One of the biggest airdrops was in 2016. It was the Minerium airdrops. By the time it launched, the amount of coin that they had given, people who took part in their airdrop was worth over $400,000. So yes, good money can be made off airdrops. Another way that you can make money passively in the crypto space is especially in this time where gaming is all the rage. I mean, gaming has always been all the rage, but now gaming has been integrated into, blockchain and crypto. Now, there are projects, there are companies, there are gaming companies who, reward people who play their games with coins. So they're called play to earn projects. Now, you can take advantage of this. Like, so if you are an active gamer, if you love gaming, you can take advantage of you can make inquiries, you can make research about different projects that take part in this play to earn, and you simply are having fun. You simply are doing what you would usually do, but this time you are earning money. Another way that you can passively make money in this crypto space is taking advantage of DeFi or leveraging on DeFi. There's such a thing as staking, farming, and providing liquidity. Now, staking simply means that you are staking a particular coin. So say you invest. Say you decide to invest, you want to invest, especially if you invest at the early stages of a project. Say you want to invest $100, $200, $300, or $500, just whatever it is that you want to invest, and then you buy a certain coin. Now you hold it. This is more like a, depending on where you are in the world, this is more like a fixed deposit kind of thing where you are holding a coin. But the thing with DeFi is that unlike traditional investments, unlike the traditional long-term investments, or unlike the traditional long-term investments, the API, your annual return, or your ROI basically is way higher. So sometimes you get to see between 25, so even as much as 300% ROI per annum on DeFi projects. So it means that when you stake $100, for instance, you can get, in a year, you can literally get say between 20, 30 to 300% of your investments. Do you get what I mean? And here's the thing: you can sell off your returns, and your actual investment will still be there. Now, remember that we're talking about passive income. Now, passive income means that there's minimum activity required and there's little to no investment. And most importantly, even when you sell off your returns, you still have your initial or your initial investment or deposit. Now, passive income, when you stake in crypto, the only thing that you have done is you have put in some money and you have taken 5 to 10 minutes to go through or to stake, go through the user interface, know how to stake your coins and everything. Sometimes it is locked, sometimes it's not locked. So, but whichever way you have full access to, you have full access to your coin. Now you can sell off your interest or your yield, like you can sell off your coins, the coins that has come off from just staking. You can sell those off and you still have your initial capital. That's all. Now there's farming where you stake one coin and you earn another. In fact, that is like a double blessing, right? Because you are using one investment to enjoy the best of both worlds. So you have your investments when the actual coin that you have bought appreciates. There's that, and there's the fact that when you are farming the other coin, if you're following what I'm saying, so you buy this coin, but you are using it to earn another coin. So this is literally you making the best of both worlds, really, if I may add. So you are enjoying this work. So when the initial coin that you have invested in appreciates, you are enjoying that, and then the coin that you are earning, when that appreciates, you're enjoying that. So you have used one money to make, like you have used one capital to earn from different places. If you get what I mean. So that's another way that you can earn in the crypto space. So we have talked about airdrops, we have talked about play to earns, we have talked about leveraging decentralized finance to make passive income. And these things are very accessible to people, especially when it comes to staking. Even centralized exchanges these days have, are giving their users the opportunity to stake different coins. Even these days, you can stake stable coins. Stable coins are like your USDT, USDC, and all whatnot. You can stake them to make more money. So instead of just having money lying idly in the bank, you can stake them in DeFi or in centralized or in exchanges that are, providing these services, and then you can just literally be putting your money to use. That's another thing about passive income. It is literally putting your money to use. And I'll tell you what, passive income is a way to attain financial independence, right? Especially in this day and time where the economy seems to be shaky. The economy literally all over the world seems to be shaky. You can do with active income, that's good, but there's only so much work that you can do. There's literally only so much work that you can do as a person, especially if you are more of age and you're not as energetic as, and even if you are energetic, there's a thing about people who have different interests, who want to do different things. So you cannot actively be in multiple places. So you just want to make sure that there's somewhere where, should you decide to rest, should you decide to retire tomorrow, you are sure that there's somewhere that you can always make money from. And in fact, passive income is also a way to, it's also a way that you can retire early. It also affords you the ability or the capacity to retire in time, because the thing with passive income is you do not actively remember that it is minimum to no activity. Do you understand? All you sometimes need is just your mobile phone or your laptops, depending on what you are using to access these platforms. All you need are those two things, and then you can just be home, you enjoy with your family, taking your time out, and then you are still making money. But even in your more active days, there's such a thing as multiple sources of income, and like we have said earlier, there's only so much work that you can do. There's only so many places that you can be at the same time. So passive income is interesting. And I am glad that there is such a thing as crypto. I'm glad to be alive in such a time where cryptocurrency is a thing, because it affords you multiple opportunities. You just need to be looking. And this information is very accessible. There are cryptocurrency directories like CoinMarketCap, and there's CoinGecko, where you can have information to all these things. You can go through these platforms. You can access airdrops. You can access legit airdrops, so that you are not exposing your wallet, because when you expose your wallet to any kind of airdrop, you expose your wallet to being hacked. Like there's a chance that you can be hacked and then your money can be taken. So when you access cryptocurrency directories like CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko, you have access to actual legit airdrops, and then you can make money off those. When you go through these directories as well, you can see projects that are doing legit play to earn projects. You can see legit play to earn projects, and you can take part in some of these projects. And as for staking, farming, and providing liquidity, these things are accessible on some centralized exchanges and some decentralized exchanges. Remember that we have said that passive income affords you financial independence and affords you the capacity to just say, you know what, I want to retire at 40. You do not have to. I do believe that life was meant to be enjoyed in some sort of way. And if you belong to that school of thought, then you know that passive income is something that you genuinely should start to consider today. Thank you very much.
Have you ever dreamed of owning a land on the metaverse? Here's your chance. Bliss Token and Global Digital City presents Winmetaland Contest. Yes, you heard it right. Bliss Token and Global Digital City has brought you a contest through which you will not only get a chance to participate in a virtual land contest, but you can also get a golden opportunity to experiment with new adventures and new technology. By winning this contest, 75 winners every month will get a chance to win free land on Bliss Token-backed Metaverse Global Digital City. Also, 1,000 contestants will get free 50 Bliss tokens free every month. To participate in the contest, first you have to visit our website, www.winmetaland.com, and sign up. After that, you have to enter the Bliss Token wallet address. To get your Bliss Token wallet address, you will have to create an account on Bliss Token website. That is www.blisstoken.io. After doing this, the more you tell people about this contest through Facebook and social media and engage with them and post about it, the more your entries you will get, which will increase your chance of winning. Now, here is the exciting part. We have a special feature called Refer a Friend. The more you refer, the more chances you earn. The first contest will end on the 15th of October. This contest will run every month, so even if you don't win the first, you will still have the chance of winning upcoming contests. Winners will get access to their virtual lands from the 15th of December this year. So, what are you waiting for? Participate and try your luck and become part of Global Digital City.